What is up, guys? Today we're taking a look at this awesome electric screwdriver right here. Now the company sent me this over to check out, so let's go ahead and take a look. Now as far as what you get, you're going to get the screwdriver here itself. You will get a little USB cable that's used for charging. It's type A to type C here. And then you will get your set of instructions. Now one thing I absolutely love about this screwdriver is that it's so elegant and nice looking. So this is actually just kind of how it will sit if you're not using it. This is its little storage case. And this is actually made of aluminum alloy. It's this really cool blue color. It just looks absolutely amazing. Now to open it up, you can see I have it in its lock position. We just go like that and open it up. And inside, you're going to find not only the screwdriver, but all of the bits in there as well. So there's 12 different bits that come with this. So you guys can see the different bits that you get. They're all, again, just all in here. So you just take all this with you. You don't have to worry about forgetting your bits or anything like that. Now, taking a look at the screwdriver, it's also that really nice color. It's that really awesome blue color, as you can see. On the bottom here, we have our type C, so that's how you're going to charge this. This has a 1500 milliamp hour battery in here. Now, HOTO tells me that you can screw in up to 1,000 different screws on a full charge, so that's pretty awesome. There's also a little indication LED right here that's going to let you know, when it's charging and everything like that. And then at the top, of course, that's where you're going to put your bits in, and then there is a light there as well. And then we can see that we have our controls. So we have it in the off position here, and then there it's in the off position, and then there's 3 different levels, and that's gonna adjust the torque on the actual screwdriver itself. So to use this, you would just simply take out a bit and you put it right in here. And then, there's up and down, which means back and forward or in and out right here. And you just press that. And as you can see, very easy to use. And you can see the light there. I really like the light. Now, I have actually been using this to build PCs for the past couple weeks now. And it's been so easy, especially when it comes to removing screws from something like a motherboard. It just makes it so easy. This is magnetized as well, so you're not going to lose those screws either when you pull them out. That's one of the worst things when it comes to building PCs, is losing those screws. And I've always been like an old school type of guy, just using a regular screwdriver. But now that I have this is going to be like my daily driver. Like, I'm going to use this all the time for all of my computer repairs, all of my electronic repairs. It's super easy, and I just love how elegant it is. Once I'm done, I put this back in the case here, put it like this, and then I just close it up, and it looks, like I said, it looks absolutely amazing when it's all closed up, and it even has this little, handle here. You can attach it to things, or it just looks really, really cool, and it doesn't look like, like a normal tool, which I absolutely love. So if you are looking for a cordless electric screwdriver that's going to be great for electronic repairs, this is one that I would definitely recommend.